In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under legal aspect of business. We are going to focus on the subtopic meaning and types of contracts. We have about 18 to 23 questions to practice when the video gets started. The first question I have here says the contract which is devoid of legal effect is unenforceable contract, void contract, voidable contract, valid contract. So right answer to this question is that a contract which is devoid of legal effect is a void contract. Option B. Next question. Mr. Amusa says to Mr. Bello, I will sell you this house for 30 naira. And Mr. Bello replied, I will pay 29 naira. The contract is a complete simple contract, an implied contract, an offer but no acceptance, an offer and acceptance. The right answer is option C, an offer but no acceptance. Next question. A contract that is acknowledged before the law court is referred to as informal contract, specialty contract, contract records, formal contract. The right answer is option C, contract record. Next question. A protection right which can be reviewed or renewed after 7 years is known as patent. Option B. Okay. Next question. An agreement between two parties which is not enforceable by law is right condition, contract, warranty, promise. The right answer is option D, promise. Next question. Which of the following requires acceptance by debtor to make it valuable? We have check, postal order, bill of exchange. For measuring no, the right answer is option C, bill of exchange. Next question. The act of person employing another to enter into a contract on his behalf is known as agency. Option A. Next question. An offer extended to several people at once is called. We have acceptance, invitation to tweet, consideration offer. The right answer is option B, is invitation to tweet. This is not tweet, it's meant to be tweet. Okay, option. Next question. Okay, next question is this one. It says an announcement of person's willingness to enter into a contract is referred to as a policy, an offer, an acceptance, a consideration. The right answer to this question is option B, which is an offer. Next question is this one. It says Mr. Taiwo entered into a contract to let a car to Mr. Bumi for his wedding for 2 days. However, the car had an accident before the first day. Mr. Bumi attempted to claim damages but failed. This implies that the contract was terminated by frustration. Option A. Next question. In law of contracts, a counter offer operates as we have an offer, a rejection, an acceptance, a contract. Right answer is option B, a rejection. Next question. An agreement that is enforceable in law is a contract. Okay. Next question. Option A is the answer to this question. Next question. Now, a contract can be terminated through frustration. Option A. Next question. Sabu and Gambo entered into a contract for the sale of 2 baskets of tomatoes belonging to Cabo, but the dates of delivery and without any default by Gambo, the tomatoes were stolen. This is an example of termination of contract by frustration. Option A. Next question. A contract for the sale of goods involves the producer, seller, and the buyer of goods, transfer of the title to goods for money, exchange of goods, offering of goods to customer. The right answer is option B, transfer of the title to goods for money. Next question. A company which issues a promissory note to in lieu of payment for goods purchased can return the goods purchased and refuse to pay on due date, since its only promise is not bound to renew the note before payment. Is bound to redeem the note for cash on due date. So the right answer to this question is option B, D, is bound to redeem the note for cash on due date. Next question. An aspect of the law which allows an exclusive right for a limited number of years is a patent. Option A. The last question for this video is this one. It says a contract can be terminated through frustration. Option D. So guys, this basically can do problems involving meaning and types of contracts for your JAMB commerce. Practice with about 17 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video to me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you still have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below. And ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button where you're getting premium information. I help you to excel in your exams like a JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. If you haven't done this, click the link above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.